How to tie the heaving line knot. So going off to the right hand side is my working end, left hand side is my standing end. So the first thing we want to do to create the heaving line knot is form a bight in our rope. So there we go, I formed a bight in my rope, and now the bottom one here, that is my working end. The next thing that we want to do is take the working end and just wrap it around that bight that I've created. So take it round, wrap it round, and just keep going round until you run out of working end. So keep going round, and then eventually when we start to run out of working end here, what we do now is just bring it round and pass it through the loop, and then I hold it with the working end there, I hold it with my finger, and then on the standing end I just pull on the standing end, and you'll see now I will lock that working end into place. So I've locked that working end into place, but we've got this rather nasty little loop here, and to get rid of that, all we do is go back to the top here to that loop that's locking in our working end and just pull up on it. And then as you pull up on it, you can see now here that left hand loop is starting to disappear. As it disappears, just go down, make sure your working end is still through that top loop, and then dress it up by pulling down on there. And you can see now here what we've done is we have now created the heaving line knot.